Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. It is Friday. All right, let's take a look at financial juice here real quick, see what we got going on. Canadian retail sales month over month that passed this morning. University Michigan sentiment report. So we do have some high impact news here at 10 a.m. East Coast. And U.S. existing home sales coming up at the same time. Looks like Trump's making an announcement at 1 on the East Coast. And then there's a couple more Trump things later in the evening. So we're looking at 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. for any kind of impact on the news. All right, so taking a quick look here, looks like we might have an opportunity. Nope, midnight open was engaged at 6. So just gonna throw up my view ups here. Get those all going.
Good morning.
Hey, morning.
Sorry I'm a little late. I was trying to get my trade copier up and running.
Yeah, that can be some work.
Yeah, I added 21 accounts to it yesterday.
Woo.
I think they're all working. We shall see in a minute. So YM just exploded.
Yeah, I was just looking at that.
Why wasn't I in a pre-market long here?
Yeah, I saw this all going off when I first woke up not too long ago, and I was like, "Whoa, geez, looks like we're going already."
Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, bounced off that fair value gap at just under 294 and then turned into a rocket. So I can't get into a long way up here. This is
a
little bit much for me. And gold has got no volume right now.
Yeah, I noticed that gold was basically doing nothing there.
On the book map, there's 15 lots down at 3,900. There's 10 at 3,925, 5 at 3,950. That's about it. I know what I'm not trading today. Yeah, book map is showing Looks like on the book map, it looks like YM's going to start leveling off here in a minute.
Yeah.
So what you got going on this morning?
Not much. Just hooking up my VWAPs here.
So you got to remember, today is a quadruple witching day.
Oh, that's today, hey? Haven't heard that in a while.
So options, single stock futures, index futures, and index options all expire.
All right. Well, I just got long on YM actually.
Did you?
In that eval account, I'm up 380. I'm out.
Damn. All right. Good deal. Good for you.
Okay. 373. 373 on that pop there. I went in, I grabbed one YM micro, added one YM micro. Throwing some size on this eval though.
Apparently. I like it.
I'm gonna hook up my funded accounts here now. And it looks like you gotta log in for my pretty quiet in the chat so far this morning.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are not going to be trading today.
Yeah.
And I can't say as I would blame them.
Oh, they got Lawrence and Tanner today.
Who got Lawrence and Tanner?
The usual
suspects.
Yep. It's Friday. Oh, good thing I got stopped out of that in profit, that YM. Pulling back a bit.
Yeah, look for a bounce around 48,480.
My entry was 506 and 503. And then I covered at 544 with that trailing stop. NQ's looking pretty strong. I mean, everything's looking pretty strong. ES is above value area high, but NQ's already all the way above previous day high. So I would say NQ's kind of the most bullish at the moment. Jordan says, "Nah, I'm a degen." Yeah, exactly right, Jordan.
Nice.
Welcome to the Jordan. I guess we should all say our degen prayers.
Yeah,
and Keith's already up
where we're at
$100.
right now. Good deal.
I'm gonna grab a drink here, coffee, real quick.
Keith's up $100. Jordan's a degenerate. I'm liking it. It's good stuff.
Where all my degens at?
We're all right here.
Ready to go. Yeah, I figure if I'm gonna break my rules, I might as well do it in that eval account, right?
I mean, you might as well.
Seems to be working though. Last couple days, when you see it really popping. But it's like, it's so bullish. It's like you can't really get long and you can't really get short. At this point, it's like, what do? You gotta just wait it out for a few minutes here.
Nah. Going in long on YM right now.
Yeah. Could be good. Could be good. I found this gray shirt in my dresser, and I'm like, what the heck is this shirt? I haven't seen this one in a while.
So Keith's up $100. I'm down 100. Oh, it's coming back in my direction.
Come on, let's go.
Get on up there.
Get up, get up.
Yeah, with this much bullish movement though, I can't be short.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to be short.
I'm only trading one account right now. I wasn't going to
keeping the risk
it at the top of it. Yeah, not going to risk a whole lot at the top of this range.
Well, I can't believe how high the New York VWAP got on that first candle there.
All right, I'm adding to it.
Nice.
I got 3 minis on here right now. Oh, is this going to go against me now? Son of a bitch.
Ah, nice, Keith. Now up 160. Screw this, locked out. Chased long.
Good
down
choice.
100. It went. Never mind. Chased long down 100. LOL. Now up 160. Screw this, locked out. Yeah. Good call.
That's
good
perfect.
Call.
I'm only down 150, 80, 70, 255. Yeah, wow. But I'm in this with 3 minis right now, so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, $500 worth of risk on it.
Hey Terrence, good morning. Aloha.
Aloha. I didn't know Terrence was in Puerto Rico.
Is that what they say in Puerto Rico?
So they're the old mayor of Detroit, Mayor Coleman Young. They had a mayor's conference in Honolulu,
Oh yeah.
and when he got off the plane, they said, "Oh, the people on the news were interviewing the mayor's coming off."
Yeah.
And they said, "Oh, do you have anything to say to the people back in Detroit?" And he just looks up and says, "Yeah, aloha, motherfuckers."
Really?
Yeah. There's actually a book about him, and that's the title of the book is Aloha, Motherfuckers.
No way. That's hilarious.
Yep.
Well, it looks like your YM bouncing nice now.
Yeah, I'm up about 550 right now.
Nice. I did. I made an attempt with 2 micros on a short on NQ and stopped out on that 80 down 80, and then I basically went long after that, and I'm back to 380 profit. So
All right.
quick
deal.
loss, quick win. Cut it pretty early. It was just stalled out, so
just added
like
another 2
back.
minis to that.
Nice. This can be a big W potentially.
Well, I'm up 740 right now, so
See if we can't break this high here, this 559.
added 1 more mini to it. I'm in 6 minis.
Holy. Is that the max position size?
No. Locking in $200 in profit.
No added risk, but lots of upside potential.
Mm-hmm.
Just need that to pop past the 57. That's crazy how fast NQ's moving right now. Like this last candle, after including the pullback, is 118 points.
Damn.
So since the open, it's up 200 points.
All right. Taking my profits.
Nice. Hey, like we got 3 bars, 15 minutes on NQ, and we're up 200 points from the open. What's with this volatility?
Not sure.
Tina said morning, and then Jordan said
Good
full
morning.
out at 68.71, 13-point winner on MES. Nice. That's
Very good.
15, 50, 65 times however many. Right? Yeah, 65 times however many contracts you were in. Yeah, I'll be on next week also. Probably not Christmas. I don't even know if the market's live on that day, is it?
Yeah.
Did you say yeah?
No, it's not.
No, okay.
So I'm in another basket of accounts now. So I'm doing 15, but I'm moving it over to the micros on YM.
Okay, yeah.
And I'm in 3 long, or I'm in long on 3 micros right now.
I just grabbed along on the YM pullback there also here. 68 or 48 for 73. Hopefully we can get a little bounce here.
I'm hoping. I'm down $50 per account right now.
Sheesh. It's rejecting off my price right now. Give us a bounce here, boys. Probably be a little bit aggressive here if we can get up to the 90 level. I'm going to put my stop in there slightly in the money. I'm up $20. Okay, my stop got filled there, unfortunately. It rejected off the 95 and came back down to my entry price right after I put my stop in there.
Oh, great.
$4.
It's about to push up through that 90 now.
Yeah.
Yep, 91. Oh, no, it's pushing back down. Son of a bitch.
Son of a...
See if it gets back up to high a day.
Yeah, there you go. Nice. It's popping now pretty nicely.
Yeah, I'm only down $10 now.
Nice. There you go.
Oh, now I'm green. There we go. Keep it.
I jumped back in there. Stop slightly in the money again here.
What accounts are you trading today?
This is in my my Lucid funded account. Okay, I'm out of those. There again, small winner. Hey, there's my dad. Good morning.
Good morning. You said you got out of that one?
Yeah, I dragged my stop up again and it pulled back.
Gotcha.
We got in pretty late. If I would have held that first one, would have been much better, but
wow, I made a whole $20 on that trade.
It's a lot different when you trade in micros, eh?
Yeah, yeah. I got to get used to it though.
Hey, Czar. Hey, morning. It's finally Friday. Yay! How's everyone doing? Czar, you haven't slept all
up
week,
right now.
Well, it wasn't a $50 loser, anyways. So, right?
True.
Czar hasn't slept all week. He's been just trading like the machine he is. Oh, now we're getting back to the highs, of course.
Yeah, great. Now that I'm out of that trade.
Yeah. NQ's still holding up pretty well up here. We do have a bullish fair value gap now, and it's roughly the 50% is at the New York VWAP. I probably won't touch YM now for a little bit after we've printed 1, 2, 3, basically 4 or 5 minute candles all clustered together.
Yeah.
It's could be chopping
double top at 48.5. What's that?
I just said it could be chopping a bit more for a bit longer here. But yeah, I see the bit of a double top at 558, right?
Yep.
Where ES and NQ have done like a second expansion. Today, my last day of trading at the desk, and tomorrow the holiday begins. Oh, okay. So you're not trading at all next week then, Czar? Austin's showing some like what's it called? Trustpilot,
Yep.
and I think they're showing funding ticks Trustpilot, and they've got a whole bunch of negative reviews in like the last day. Yeah,
Really?
yeah, whole bunch of red 1-star reviews.
Well, that's not healthy.
Yeah. New 1 minute, they added a new rule or something.
I have no idea. I don't actually trade with them, so
Oh, that's good. And Q's trying to push its way back up to the highs here too. Actually, we formed a whole bunch of volume up at these highs already. Right at 25,552, kind of like where we're sitting. That's so weird. I just got a whole bunch of stop fields messages. I'm like, what? Where is this?
and why is that?
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure I had already hit.
YM's coming back up to the top of that range again.
That's so weird. I don't think I have any accounts that are trading. That was a trade of 8 sound too. I just double checking all my accounts here.
Yeah, do that.
Nothing's changing. That was like a delayed stop fill sound though, I think.
ES is on a tear now. I think ES will get above 6,900 today.
Okay, well, I mean, I don't see anything moving on my accounts, so Ooh,
Oh, my
volatile bounce there.
ES and my ES long is working out. Got 5 minis in. Average price is 68.80.25. And I'm out.
I'm up $100 in this 25K Blue Guardian account, and it's still popping here. Up
Nice.
90. Yeah, I made $93 there.
I just made 1,300 on that
Nice.
per account.
Woo! Holy crap! That was a butt clencher.
Yep, I just made my asshole pucker up.
Man, I guess I should start considering trading minis now pretty soon. I mean,
Do you have the drawdown for it?
I mean, depends on how you look at it, I guess. Yeah, yes and no. I mean, most of my accounts are all up in the money, just not a ton. What you're trading 30 accounts, right? These are all
No, 15.
15, but they all have a good
So-
buffer in them, or what?
Oh yeah, they all have a minimum of 10,000 in buffer.
Oh, well,
I don't
fine.
trade minis until I have 10,000 in buffer. There's no
Yeah,
there's no reason for me to risk that much money.
yeah. Yeah, that was only 3 micros, and I made $100. 93. Oh, Czar said probably not until after the new year. So Czar's taking a substantial break.
Yeah, good. It's the end of the year. This is
You got
where everything's going to start slowing down and
yeah,
acting kind of weird.
low volume stuff, right? So I got 8 people in my YouTube. We got 1 in yours, and then 4 in your X.
What?
Pretty quiet this morning. I mean, the amount of people in my YouTube channel is actually a little bit high.
I'm gonna start looking at another ES long here.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it comes down to 61.80 or starts getting a bit of movement. And I am long.
Nice. All right. Oh, there's a Google Doc on ASFX TV. Got to try to get in there. Man, that list is pretty long.
Yeah, well, like 3,000 people following him right now.
Probably like 50 or 60 people. Anyways.
Ooh. All right. Just added to it.
Yeah, and well, there goes YM too now. Hey.
ES is about to follow it. Just an opinion, but Cool. I was way off.
Oh, it started pulling back here. I didn't get
Yeah, a little bit.
into any long on YM there either. Geez, we keep getting these clean pops out of the gate last few days,
Mhm.
and then it decides to mess around a bunch on us.
I think an ES is still going to go up.
Yeah, I mean, there's all the orders
Cool.
are 85, 90, 95, and 6,900.
Yeah, we got 202 orders up at 90.
Zach Arbucci just bought 350K accounts from somewhere.
He's a savage.
Bit more of a pullback here. We do have previous day high at 868.73.
So I got out of got out of that long, went back into another one down at 68.76. So I took a $250 loss, and I've got 5 minis in right now, and I'm up 500.
Whoa, nice little bounce there.
My stop loss up to 250 in profit.
There you go.
So I'm up almost 1,000. Oh, it's coming back now. I think I'm gonna let this go for a little while.
Zach just took a short on prop firm match, and now he's saying, "Shit, I screwed up. It's going to make a new high. I know it. I know it."
Can't be a bear today.
If he knows that, maybe he should just cut it, right?
Yeah, I don't. Why would you stay in a trade like that if you? Oh shit! And I'm out. All right, another $1,300 win.
Whoa. Banking that those accounts are stacked.
All right, switching to a new basket now. So I had 2,600 in wins, 500 in losses. So I'm up 2,100 per account on 15 accounts today.
Nice. Stacking those
Alright.
wins. Did you take payouts on those accounts recently?
On those, hold on, let me see. Sorry, I just closed them.
Yeah, definitely focus on the
On these ones, I took a payout.
I just know you said you took out that payout recently, so I was just wondering if
I
these
took
were some of those.
I took payouts on these ones 3 weeks ago, and then so for those 10, it was 3 weeks ago, and then for these 5, it was a month ago.
Gotcha.
I will take it.
The VWAP's looking pretty good on this MES still. Be interesting.
VWAP's looking pretty good on the YM as well.
Yeah. Bounced right off it, sort of, on that last pullback. I wonder if you know how you got that notification saying about the live whatever that you got that it's like blocked in certain places?
Yeah.
I wonder if that's because you're in the US.
Maybe.
But you know, all my stuff gets broadcasted to the US, so unless some viewer was watching you from like across seas or something, and then that triggered it.
Maybe. Don't know. I have no idea. I am in another ES long right now. Switched over off that 75 price. It says right in the music, Artlist.io.
Yeah.
Royalty free, blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
I'm only putting 250 of risk on this one. Just one mini. If it starts going in my favor heavy, I'll add to it.
I got in that long too. I'm up about $20 right now on this.
I just added to it.
Artlist.io.
$30. All right, I'm out. $25 across 4 funded accounts.
Nice.
Small W.
Music licensing reimagined.
Keep stacking them.
Yeah. I'm really working on trying to not put the TP in there and just because quite often I noticed a couple times lately where I've put the take profit in there and then it hits my target, but then it just keeps going. It's like, sheesh.
It's great if you've got a consistency rule in your firm, but
yeah,
if it's a cash account, I wouldn't even bother.
Or if you have an intraday trailing drawdown, is always a good way to do it too, because
so
it doesn't
if it falls back on you.
That is if your account's at its high. Because obviously, if you get a little bit of drawdown, then it doesn't necessarily. It always goes from the highest point, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So if here I'll bring this guy. So this is my what's it called?
Music licensing reimagined.
Opus Clip calendar. So I got videos releasing December 20th, 22nd, 24th, 26th, and 28th. So that's a cool thing about this is you can, once you queue it all up, it's all ready to go, ready to drop ahead of schedule.
That's cool.
Artlist.io.
Yeah,
All
and
right.
yeah. Oh, nice.
Just got filled for another $350. It hit my my take profit.
Nice.
So I got $350 on those, and that's on
You got a
10
take
accounts.
profit in there.
Reimagined.
Yeah, these counts are trailing
Oh.
drawdowns.
Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah. So you want to close it at the high if you can, as close to the high as possible. Hey, Goku Gains. Good morning. How are you this morning, sir? I'm assuming you're. I'm assuming you're a sir. Sorry if you're not,
Artlist.io.
because Goku is a male character, so could be a female catfish though. Just trying to trick us.
Could be.
Just joking.
For what reason? I have no idea.
No.
Music licensing reimagined.
Fortnite. I am a sir, but you never know nowadays. Right, Goku. Thanks. Yeah, we're doing all right this morning. Thanks. Hope you are too. Oh, you said you were. Never mind. Yeah, and Fortnite. I remember there was like a Goku season. I haven't been playing Fortnite in quite a while now, but it's a fun game.
Music
No time left now.
licensing
All I do
reimagined.
is trade and work. So
It keeps you from getting into trouble.
yeah, kind of hit a roadblock though. Actually, on in the pickleball situation.
Oh no, what happened?
The bank, the bank's requirements are changing. So now they need me to get 6 months running cost, like sort of locked in under equity or some other sense to guarantee the loan. Before it was only 2 months, and whatever happened with so it's kind of like
Music
if you have a line of
licensing
credit
reimagined.
with that much money, or if you have you can put a sort of a lien on your house or put up cash. It's not something that gets used unless there's a shortfall on the monthly fees, or like on your running costs. So I'm gonna reach out to a couple family members to see if I can get someone to back me up in that sense. They basically like put up the money and then pay them an interest on the unused money, a small interest on the unused money, and if it gets used, then it's a higher interest loan, sort of, in a way.
Gotcha.
Music
But yeah, it's
licensing reimagined.
everything changed, so it's kind of talking to the lady at the bank, and she's like, oh, by the way, we're having trouble getting financing. People, and it's like 6 months running cost is like the same cost as a build. So
All right, I switched over to a different 10 accounts. I'm in a
Okay.
long on YM, priced at 530 or 573. Yeah, I wish it was 537.
right.
It's just one mini on this one.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gold finally popped a bit. Its 45 candle pulled back pretty hard, and then we've been making new highs ever since then. And now we're forming what looks like a bull flag to me.
Artlist.io.
YM just took value area high, looking pretty solid.
Just adding to it now.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, YM's popping pretty nice there for you.
And I'm out.
Very nice.
Artlist.io.
Hey Goku, what's the schedule for Christmas? Let's see here. I'll probably be trading for sure at least 22, 23. And then probably 26.
Reimagined.
Maybe the 24th, but I'm not really sure on that one. So definitely Monday, Tuesday, and then I think Friday, given if the market, as long as the market's open here.
So full disclosure, I did open up
Artlist.io.
6 new top 1 futures accounts.
Oh, nice.
I don't know. We'll see. We shall see.
You're allowed to have 6?
Yeah, I've got 3 Ignite accounts and 3 instant sim funded. So
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Reimagined.
Because yeah, you can have more
you
than
can have 4.
5
Yeah,
2 accounts, 2 different kinds of accounts. Yeah.
yeah, you can have up to 14 accounts total with them.
And Q's pulling back a bit here, right to the New York VWAP. Keep an eye on this guy for a minute.
Thanks for letting me know. I was actually looking at a long on YM.
Artlist.io.
But for YM, we got orders. Oh, we're right in the middle of a couple of large blocks, so I'll hold off for a minute.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of want to buy the NQ at the VWAP, but I'm actually going to be patient here. Yeah, I'm probably going to go super small size next week, though, if I do take any trades, just because it sounds like, you know, if Czar's not going to be here, I mean, the market's going to have no volume at all, so. Without Czar, the market's not going to go anywhere.
Well, yeah, didn't you know Czar's our market maker?
Licensing reimagined.
Oh, we did bounce off that VWAP.
I have to bust Austin's balls a little bit. I just said,
Yeah.
send him a message. Anybody making money over here?
Right. He's showing his looks like a pre-market trade or something.
Artlist.io.
Oh, he's got Lawrence Tanner and Randy all on there right now.
Yeah, Randy's got a Christmas outfit today. We're doing that traders meetup today at 6 p.m.
Music licensing
my time.
Oh, nice.
reimagined.
In Langley. I wonder if we should be taking a short here on NQ. NQ just closed below the New York VWAP.
Artlist
And
IO.
now we printed a small bearish fair value gap there. Try one here if I can get in. Looks like it's going without me though.
I'd be ready to pull out of that as quickly as possible.
Reimagined.
Are you?
Yeah,
Which one are you on right now?
NQ. I missed the
Oh.
entry. It kind of kept going without me, so I pulled the order back. I always enter on the ask. And sometimes when it's just going, it just leaves my order and I'm okay with it.
You got the
So
book
you-
map open right now?
Yep.
You get a bunch of orders below you at 475,
Yeah.
and it looks like it's pulling it down to that right now. So you still
Yeah.
got to get a good 10 points before that gets it.
Yeah, that would have been a good short if it would have filled.
Don't be second guessing yourself.
Reimagined.
You're good at this stuff.
All right, well, bounced there just before hitting it. Now there's some sellers at the 85. Looking like they're trying to take it at the 80. Oh, and rejected off the 85 now. Back down to the 71. Holding 71. There we go. Took those 71 orders. $184 contracts at 25,470. Some more orders came back on at the 70s now above. And they took those. Interesting. On buy volume.
Yeah. I'm looking at that YM pullback right now. Let's see what
Music
the
licensing
how
reimagined.
close it is to VWAP. Oh yeah. Perfect. I think I'm going to go in long here. And I am in long. So these are my take profit accounts.
I'm in long on the Y or the NQ. Stops in there, break even, slightly in the profit. Let's keep bouncing, boys. Keep bouncing. Trailing up. Following this up here on this pullback. Nice pullback here. Okay, we're locked in $30 in profit. Keep
Added to
bouncing
my
here.
just added to my position,
Music
locking in
licensing
$100.
Well, I'm in $50 profit. There we go.
All right.
So locked in 51 across 4 accounts there.
I'm sorry. Did I say take profit? I meant top one.
Nice.
So I got those 6 accounts up 150. Damn.
Artlist IO.
Nice. Good job.
Today is just an easy day.
It's just like I couldn't believe the bounce on that. Like I expected to get up to like the 480, 85 area, and it just ripped all the way back up to the New York.
Yeah, I was just waiting for that rejection off the New York VWAP, and now we
Yeah.
printed a fair value gap at 550.
50.
I'm on YM though, so
Yeah.
So I think I might be done for the day. I think I just made like 30 grand in the past hour.
Nice. Yeah, I'm up 71 across my 4 funded accounts.
Artlist
My
IO.
yeah. I'm about halfway to a payout on these guys now. On these Lucid accounts. 1424.
Music licensing
Profit.
reimagined.
I think with Lucid, if you get over 2100, you got to get to a $500 minimum for withdrawal. So I'm shooting for at least roughly 3,000. I might take out about 500. Goku said, "That's crazy, Mustang."
Oh, yeah. It's been a good day.
Intern said, "Congratulations, Nick. Take the money and run. Merry Christmas."
I ain't done yet, Terrence.
Love that. Take the
No.
money and run.
He says it every day. And you know what? He's right,
He's right.
every
Yeah,
day.
exactly.
He's right every single day. He is absolutely correct. But I'm not going to take his advice today. I'm actually switching to another basket of accounts. So it's going to be my last one. So now I'm on my take profit ones.
Yeah, I haven't traded my TPT evals yet. I have those 5 evals. Maybe I could think about trying to find a trade there also.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right. Convince me to be patient here.
Be patient. Be patient.
Thank you.
We
Appreciate
just
you.
took value area high on YM. ES held VWAP and the previous day high, and NQ held the New York VWAP.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm either going to wait for another little pullback here. I can't get in at this price.
Yeah, it's you're basically back at the highs, and we've been producing a bunch of wicks up here.
Yep.
Or it depends on what you're
Yeah.
looking at. YM and specifically.
Music licensing.
Yeah, it's pulling off that that high a day. High a day is at 632. Just got up to 620 and then started to pull back a little bit. So
I do like the hold of the New York VWAP on the NQ, but it's now it's above,
VWAPs.
Artlist.io.
so 20 points above it right now. So
Yeah, New York VWAP's been holding for YM too.
Yeah, really.
Consistently since 955. I mean, prior to that, there was obviously a little more volatility, but
Music
Yeah,
licensing
getting lots of wicks
reimagined.
that are almost tapping the New York, right? Yeah. On the
yeah, we
5.
got 3, 4. You've got 4 wicks on the 5-minute candle tapping New York. We've got a candle body opening, or I'm sorry, closure above New York, 950, and an opening at 955. But that 955 opening jumped 47 points. So
I'm doing my wakey dance. Right? That's what like makes you want to do this song. It's like do, 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 do.
I like it. Keep it up. Oh yeah. And we got the headphones on too, so
Reimagined.
look like a couple of idiots just bebopping around.
Yeah. Well, the good thing is the chat can see hear the music too, so they don't. Hey, Darren, morning. Way late today. Had some home DIY mishap to sort out. Happened almost at the New York Open. Oh yeah.
Ooh. So hopefully
Like-
you're not cleaning up flooding.
Yeah. DIY mishap. That could mean a lot of different things.
Yeah. What are you doing by yourself? Don't get filthy about it, Dave.
No comment.
Music licensing reimagined.
Man, I could have went in on that tiny little pullback there. This is
Yeah.
just grinding today. All right, before I start losing patience, I'm gonna go grab some more coffee and hope for a pullback here.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I'm in long in my TPT accounts. All right, I just made 83 on my 5 TPT evaluation accounts there on that bounce on the NQ. Oh, the boiler busted, so you had to quickly sort it out. What did you brought in a new boiler and installed it, or what? Like a hot water tank?
Artlist.io.
That was a nice little trade on NQ there. I went in what was it, 2, 4, 6 contracts long,
Music
average
licensing
price of
reimagined.
41, and then I sold it at 49, so an 8-point winner. I was trying to trail it up to the 10-point level there, but it pulled back before I could get it quite to there. And pulling back pretty substantially now from that. So glad that I got out of that where I did. Back to my entry
Artlist.io.
price anyways already. Doesn't mean it's not going to go higher, but a pretty solid day so far. 80 times 5, 5 times 8, that's
Artlist.io.
400, I guess. Yeah, 400 in the take profit trader accounts. Nah, a seal in the repressure valve went, so I had to replace it. Been leaking a little. Luckily, I have some spare seals and parts. Oh, nice. Cool. It's pretty awesome when you can actually fix it yourself too. Hey, you don't got to call in some expensive plumber. the leak got worse. Yeah, okay. Makes sense. So you had to deal with it now, right? It was you don't want to like have a huge leak, obviously. Water and houses do not mix.
Artlist.io.
Wife was like, boiler is leaking bad. All right, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
And then super dad jumped to action. Take care of it. Nice. So up $100 in my this blue Guardian Futures eval. I'm up 202 in my instant K
Artlist.io.
50K instant funded top one futures. I am up 83 across my 5 take profit trader
Artlist.io.
evals, and I'm up 71 across my 4 lucid funded accounts. And then I took one trade in this one eval And I'm up 373 in that one eval account. So pretty solid morning this morning. Where are the people I'm talking to, Tina? This is probably in my channel. You're in Mustang's channel. Market Butcher. If you search Market Butcher Trades, you can see my channel. And yeah, Darren's in here. Goku, Zar, my dad, Jordan, Terrence, Keith. I don't know if Keith is here anymore. Keith may have taken off, but yeah, if you're in Nick's channel, then you wouldn't see the chat coming through.
Music licensing.
And on that note, I think most of you guys also follow Nick, right? So if you don't, head over to Mustang Trader. Let me see here. What's his account here? Definitely give Nick a subscribe there. I'll post it in the chat here so you guys can see that.
Yeah, all you dirty bastards. Give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that like button.
Smash that. You gotta say that, right?
No, I really shouldn't. I sound like an idiot.
No, it's good. You gotta get used to saying that because it's part of the job of being on YouTube. Don't forget to smash that like button, everybody.
Music licensing.
Yeah. Smash it.
Smash that like button. Should make a short video just with your accent like that.
Hey, smash that like button.
Hey, boys and girls, smash that like button. A. Throwing an A at the end just to like throw everybody off. Be like, what the heck's this guy? Is this guy Canadian?
The hell is this idiot from? Can't tell if he's Canadian, from Chicago, if he's Irish. I don't know. We can do streaming for all the Irish people out there. I'm thinking that the YM is gonna go up for us here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey Jose, how you doing? Good morning. I haven't seen the other Jose around yet this morning. Smashed it. Tina smashed it.
Oh, Tina, love you.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, pretty solid morning so far. I was just going over my accounts. I got 94 in my 25K Blue Guardian eval.
Nice.
And then I had 202 in my 50K funded from Top One Futures. 373 in that Lucid eval. And then 71 across 4 funded accounts in Lucid. And 83 in my 5 TPT evals.
And I just went into a YM long here with one mini.
Nice. All right. On that pullback?
Yep. So I'm going to put 300 in risk on it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Zach's trying to pass some evals right now. He's full porting evals on his on
No!
platform match,
Don't do it.
and it's going against him right now. So
Yeah, that's what happens when you full port anything.
Artlist.io.
he's down 1700, but he realized 3,000 already. It's in a 150k
Artlist.io.
top step X eval.
And he knows what he's doing. He's doing it on evals that,
Yeah,
he probably picked up like 10 cheapo evals and just
Music
Top
either
step
gonna
X.
pass them
reimagined.
top step X. Oh, so not cheapo evals. All right. He's got some money to burn.
yeah, it's kind of pulling back on him right now. He's a little bit over 2,000. Over 2,000 in drawdown right now, but like I said, I think he's already up over 2,300 or 3,000 in that account.
Artlist.io.
That's great. Are they 100K accounts that he's got to get 6,000 to pass them, or
150k, so 9k, I think.
so
is
9K? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, this is starting to get.
Music
Oh, come on,
licensing
YM.
reimagined.
There we go.
MNQ starting to bounce here. Also,
YM's coming back up too, so I'm almost in profit now. Put my I'm gonna put a take profit in at high a day.
and he's copy trading these accounts too. Wow, this guy's making serious
he's-
business.
Artlist.io.
Full porting 3 evals at once.
Well, he's really just throwing it all out on the table, isn't he?
Yeah,
Artlist.io.
he doesn't look very happy at the moment. He's like, there goes my freaking, because he made like $3,000 or something earlier on it. So Darren caught a quick $20 win on ES. Nice.
I just flatten these accounts. I don't feel like taking a full $300 loss here.
No,
Music
yeah.
licensing.
It's looking like that's the direction it's gonna go.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to go lower. Yeah, Zach's account's not looking very good at this moment.
So I am down now 150 on 5 accounts.
Ooh, he's down 3,700.
Artlist.io.
Now is why I'm gonna bounce off this New York VWAP again, or
If I was Zach right now, I'd be sweating. Because that's what happens when I start getting into a trade that goes against you that bad. It's like, start feeling all hot. hot, like start sweating a little bit. Like, oh, ugh,
I know that feeling well. I do.
feels so bad.
All right, I got my long in off of VWAP on YM.
Artlist.io.
Yeah,
He's
he's
trying
still
to
holding
print
that
a fair value gap here too. Hey, here we go.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I'm long on NQ.
Music
All right, I'm out
licensing
actually. I
reimagined.
pulled back into
Long
my
on.
stop in profit. So
I'm still long in this YM trade. I'm up $60 right now.
what did I make there? I made $43 on that. Oh, whoa, look at that freaking bounce, man. I should have held that. A little aggressive on that stop.
Artlist.io.
Oh, and now it's pulling back all the way back down to that. NQ is pretty volatile right now.
Yeah, YM's just bouncing up and down. It's pulled off of that New York VWAP twice now.
See that, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Have some fun, people. It's Friday.
Artlist.io.
Well, looking back now, I'm glad that
Oh.
I got out of that NQ. It's all the way back below my entry price now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
I wonder, does TopStack X have a consistency score on their evals?
I
Because
think it
he's
might
got
be
his
like
50% or something.
Yeah, I think it's like 40 or 50%. So
Because he's got his take profit like not very far above his entry price. So that makes me think that he only needs to make like another $1,000 or something, or before he's going to be like at the 50% point.
all right, I just put 2 minis in on a YM long.
Music licensing reimagined.
And I did it at exactly the wrong time.
Artlist.io.
All right, I'm up 150. I'm gonna lock in $35 of profit.
Music licensing
Nice.
reimagined.
Back in the money. So Zach's explaining what he's. I heard him explain what he's doing here. So he risks the whole account to make 20 points when it's in these evals, and that's how he kind of trades it.
All right.
So 20 points at a time, full porting it, sort of.
That's a strategy.
To sort of like get through it quickly and
Artlist.io.
or I guess or lose it.
Yeah. If it was me doing that, I would lose it immediately. There would be
Right,
no.
yeah.
Artlist.io.
But he reads markets a lot better than I do, so I've got my little VWAPs up, and that's all I got.
Yeah.
It's the only thing I trust. Put your trust in VWAP.
Music licensing reimagined.
Goku, I trade it like normal. I've been trading these these Lucid eval accounts, I'm just trying to pass them with like small base hits, you know, like $100 ish plus days, you know, like 100 or $120 days. And if I can get more than that, it's good. But if not, you know, so I'm trading it like I would if it was a funded account. Sorry, Ralph's just making noise here.
Yeah, I'm trading it the same way. I'm trading them like they're like for passing, like it's a funded account. I'm not really big on trying to pass an account in one day. It happens every once in a while. You just end up in a really good trade, but generally speaking, it's not my goal. I don't care if it takes me a month to pass an eval.
What did you say there, Nick, about the evals?
I said I don't care if it takes me a month to pass an eval.
Yeah. That's kind of the way I'm trading it, like as if it was a funded account. So try to treat all my accounts with as much respect as I can.
It's a good choice.
Although I have been going heavier on my last Lucid account that I've been trying to pass. I've been using minis on that. But that one's about 1,500 in profit. Let's see, where is that now? That one's 1,400 in profit, so I'm a little over halfway there, or almost halfway there. Sorry. Darren, I used VWAPs, then use Asia and UK range as a guide, then add in vector, high tick candles, and the 5-day SMA. Nice. Tina said, passing an account is a hustle. Yeah. 100%.
Once you get them passed, though, treat them like they're real money. All right, I'm in another long here.
On the
YM at VWAP.
Yeah.
All right, I am officially in profit. So
nice. Yeah,
I'm gonna cut this one. I think I'm gonna cut this one pretty quick though, because those last two candles kind of stopped short. If it starts giving me an indication that it's gonna pull back, I'm out.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Oh, my right shoulder's so messed up still. Keeps me up at night sometimes, wakes me up. Doesn't keep me up necessarily, but just keeps waking me up being like, ache and pain.
You need to see a doctor.
Yeah, it's not much you can do with like the rotator cuff injuries except for get a shot in there for the anti-inflammatory, but
You can do infra and supraspinatus exercises for them.
yeah, that's that muscle that ties to the back of your shoulder blade, right?
Yeah, you've got the spine of the scapula. You have your infraspinatus and your supraspinatus. It's gonna pull back against me now. The shit. So if you just pull your arm out away from your torso at 90 degrees and then lift your arm so your hand is palm forward.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, getting below the view up here.
See if it toys with it or if it's just gonna drop.
Artlist.io.
Zach's getting upset now.
Is he in a long or a short?
He's in a long, but his entry price is up at like 25,618. 618, 518.
Well, that's not healthy.
Yeah, so he's down 4,500. He was up 3,300, and now he's down 4,900. So he's only down, 1,500.
Yeah, but he's copying that across how many accounts?
Three. Well, it's a leader plus two, so 3 accounts. Yeah. Oh, he got some support there on that pullback, though. Let's see if it's going to bounce for him here. Yeah, it looks like Top Step X has a 50% consistency. So,
Music licensing.
Goku said, "I have the same injury, left shoulder during an MMA fight last year. Only getting an ultrasound in the new year." Yeah, that's crazy. You're some MMA fighting, nice. I used to do the kickboxing back in the day. Little Muay Thai. That's where I got the name Butcher.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
You get a closure above 224, above this 2,500 on the NQ. Could think about yeah, butcher people's legs. Yeah, that was a number of years ago, but I used to know what I was doing.
I think this trade might be a little bit too much stress for me to even bother with it.
Yeah.
I'm up $105 per account.
All right.
Which is good. I'm not complaining about that, but just this price action, the moving up and down is starting to get to me.
Yeah.
So I'm out.
Oh, there you go.
So I closed it out $65 up in profit on 6 accounts,
Nice.
5 accounts.
5 accounts. Is that those TPT accounts?
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
NQ's sort of struggling with that 25,500 level right now.
Yeah, it looks like ES is struggling with the 68.77 as well.
They got a little bearish fair value gap right where ES is right now. NQ has a little one above the New York VWAP. I'm going to use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Music
Go for me too.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yeah, butchers people's legs and
Reimagined.
Absolutely crazy. I'm too old for sports like that now. ES just erased that bearish fair value gap, and there are a bunch of orders up above, all the way up to 68.87, 68.90. I think we can take 5 points out of this.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Take a long at the high of day, though.
Music licensing reimagined.
A short is fact. Oh. Sorry, Darren.
Artlist.io.
Darren, are you trading ES?
Artlist.io.
So we have a quadruple top at 68.83.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Entry is 2 micros at 73.50. Oh, yeah. $73.50. You went in on a short above VWAP and above a fair value, a bullish fair value gap. I'm assuming at 1040.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I'm back. Sorry about that.
That's all right.
Darren said we'll be minus 100 on the stop after the quick 20 on what? Yes. Entry
Yeah, he
to
went
micro
in.
73.5.
Taking shorts above VWAP.
Oh yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think Zach might be. I don't know if he's out now or what, but he might be back in the money or close to trade already. Yeah, he turned that into a winning trade
Artlist.io.
after being down like 4K. Did he hit his full
That's-
TP there too?
That is pretty incredible. Not gonna lie, I'm impressed.
Artlist.io.
Oh, are we gonna get up to high a day today on ES?
Wow, what a bounce! Yeah, he literally hit his TP. That's so savage, man. I gotta see this.
Dang.
How much is he in profit now? He's up 44 something now in that account, in those three accounts. 4,400.
I just locked in $100 in profit on my TPT accounts on this ES long.
Nice.
I think I might be cutting this.
Yeah, I missed that bounce. Bad time to go to the bathroom.
Got it.
Nice.
All right. That was my last trade of the day.
Yeah.
It is 11:15. It is quitting time.
Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with my day so far too. How's my
Both had a green day today. That makes me happy.
yeah?
Oh wow, I had two baskets that I made 1,300 on.
Whew.
One for $100, well, 98. Another one for 135, one for 150, and this one for 314.
Very nice.
So I am up.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I'm up a bit. All right.
Yeah, quite a bit. I'm up 300 on the day. Logged. That's not including a couple evals that I. This 25K eval with Blue Guardian, and then also my TPT accounts aren't in there,
Artlist.io.
or my last Lucid funded account. So
Good deal. Your Lucid accounts are funded. How are you? Have you taken a payout from Lucid yet?
not yet, no.
So you have a
Music licensing
a code with them, right?
reimagined.
Yes, I do. Yes.
So honest opinion on Lucid.
I mean, I like them a lot. One-time fee. They have pretty good rules. You have a. I think the worst rule is it's 8 trading days, but I mean, that's fine between payouts. So it's not like
All right.
a cap. So they're very similar to top one, except for I think you get the best value out of the test account evals. Like,
Okay.
you can go straight funded. Rules are better if you pass the eval.
Really?
Yeah, there's a higher consistency if you go straight to funded. Like you have I think it's like a 30% consistency or 20% consistency if you go straight to funded, and 30 or 40% on the evals once you pass it here. Here, I'll bring it up for you. You can their website's pretty good too for showing that.
Darren cut his trade halfway to his stop. That's fine.
Yeah.
Cut your losses a little bit quickly. Realize my read is wrong and not yellowing along. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you go the eval route, right? It's like $96 after the discount. It's got a 3,000 profit target, max loss 2,000, end of day drawdown. They do have a daily loss limit of 1,200. And then once you get to the funded part, it's same end of day trailing drawdown, daily loss limit 1,200, but it scales as you put more in there. But not that we're ever risking that much, anyways.
Yeah.
Minimum days to profit is when you get to the funded account part, you got to have 5 $100 days.
Oh yeah.
And then 5 days to pay out. So, and it's a free.
I don't care
to fund it. So.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. So there's no activation fee once you get.
And how many of those can you have at a time?
5
funded. You can have 5 funded accounts with them.
Maximum 5 funded accounts. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna get 5 of their evals as soon as I'm off here with you.
And 40% consistency on the pro funded accounts. So
that's great.
Nice consistency. So if you go the flex or the direct has a 20% consistency rule. So a lot tighter, right?
I don't like a 20% consistency. 30, 40 is okay. I prefer 50 to 60.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm doing that 100K. Basically just challenging myself to have 100 accounts passed and paid out by
they do have these these flex accounts also. They're a little bit cheaper, $78, 30 or 3,000 profit target, 2,000 max daily loss, end of day drawdown. They have a consistency on the eval at 50%. Whereas the other eval, the Lucid Pro eval, has no consistency on the test account.
Then so you can just YOLO that account and try and pass it in a day?
Yeah, you could. Yeah.
Or do you need 5 days to pass it?
No, it's that's for the Pro. So once you get it funded, it's 5 days. But then if you pass these flex accounts, then they have where was it here? No consistency score, and you have 5 days of 150 to get the payout. So
okay. I can deal with that.
So that's another option, right? Is the flex. They're a little bit cheaper, but if you do pass it, it seems like the rules are. I mean, it's better. I think a little bit, right? Because no consistency score, and but you have to get 150 per account rather than 100 per account on those.
Yeah, and honestly, by the time I would even take a payout on it, I would like to have at least, a few $1,000s in drawdown so I could trade minis.
Yeah.
Yeah, taking payouts on them. Everybody's so concerned about taking payouts quickly. I don't take a payout from an account for at least 30 to 90 days.
Yeah.
In profit. I mean, it helps that I have a lot of accounts, but
yeah. But I mean, if you play it slow like that, you can also get a lot of accounts and then start spacing out the payouts like that too, right? So it's kind of what I've been trying to grind at is just get lots of funded accounts and then just slowly grind them up, and gonna take some payouts here and there when they come, and not too much.
All right, I'm gonna take my ball and go home.
Yeah. sounds
Goku,
good.
Darren, whoever else is in here still. Tina
Tina,
and
Jose, Czar.
Jose and Zara are long gone. They both went to bed. I will see you on Monday.
Yeah,
Have
sounds
fun
good.
at your trader meetup today. And
Yeah, I got the trader meetup today, and I got a big Christmas party with all my friends tomorrow. So
very good.
busy couple
Make
days.
make sure you make fun of Randy for me.
Okay, yeah.
I would appreciate that.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you on Monday. Have a good one.
Okay, Nick. Thanks. You have a good one. See ya. I don't know about you guys, but I'm also thinking to wrap it up here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Pretty green across most of my accounts, so feeling all right on the day. Here's a quick look at my calendar. We're up almost 7K across all the accounts on this month so far. 2,000 first week, 2,900 second week, and we're at 2,000 now if we lock it up right now. So made about 300 in the funded accounts, and I haven't been logging these new eval accounts that I have. So I mean, in the last couple days, I've made, I don't know, a couple thousand also on top of these guys. So yeah, not bad. Pretty happy with the performance. We still got another 2-ish weeks, almost 1.5 weeks left. So wouldn't mind trying to get another 3,000 in the account, hit a 10K month. That'd be pretty sweet. But yeah, so it's been a pretty decent month. Yeah, green on the day. So yeah, thanks Goku. Keep in mind that some of those are evaluation accounts. Like before I passed the Lucid accounts, some of those are in there. But I stopped putting the evals in there for now. I'm just gonna focus on tracking my funded accounts now that I have a decent amount of funded accounts going. Like I got 5 take profit trader accounts that I just picked up. I didn't add any of those. I didn't add this Lucid. I have one Lucid account that's not being tracked, and I have my 25K Blue Guardian account that's not being tracked. So we got a couple other accounts that are just not putting in there anymore. Just trying to keep more so track of my funded accounts. So yeah. Thanks, Terrence. You have a great weekend also. See you next week. Tina, thanks. Merry Christmas to you also. And Goku, appreciate you hanging out. Say bye to everybody else. I think Derek, take care. And like I said earlier, I think we had Dar, we had Jose, we had, who else was in here? Keith was in here. My dad was in here earlier. Jordan was in here earlier. So hope you guys all have a good weekend, and we'll be back Monday live. Hopefully we'll make some more green trades on Monday. Right? Let's do this. Okay, guys. Thanks so much again. You guys have a good weekend, and see you on Monday. Peace out.